off the grain of my face after this. Thank you. That was awesome, man.
I was completely stuck. That's the beauty of it.
Oh yeah. Yeah. It's just sometimes how big your balls is. You know.
Just give that buckle a twist and I'll do your belt for you, okay?
Okay.
Cool. Thanks for coming.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it. All right. Oh yeah, a lot faster than I would drive. Oh man. Were you able to hold that? Yes, with two hands. With two hands. Like I said, I rode in the same hot lap on a Viper. I didn't even share the video because I was screaming like a little girl all the way through.